Hello and welcome. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are diving into the world of cost per action marketing or CPA marketing. If you are ever wondered about how this marketing strategy works, its pros and cons, or how to get started with it, then you are in the right place. So let's dive in.
1. Understanding the basics. What is CPA marketing? At its core, CPA marketing is a type of affiliate marketing where a company pays for a specific action taken by a potential customer. The action could be anything from a purchase to a form submission, depending on what the advertiser wants to achieve. It's a win-win scenario. Advertisers only pay when they get the action they want, and publishers get paid for generating those actions. 2. The evolution and growth of CPA marketing. From being a niche marketing strategy, CPA marketing has evolved into a multi-billion-dollar industry. The rise of digital platforms and sophisticated tracking technologies has fueled this growth. As more businesses tap into the benefits of performance-based marketing, the CPA marketing model is set to grow even further. 3. The mechanics of CPA marketing. How does it work? The process begins when an advertiser pays an affiliate or a network to place their ad. The affiliate then promotes the advertiser's product or service on their website. If a visitor takes the action specified by the advertiser, say, buying a product or signing up for an email list, the affiliate gets paid a commission. 4. The role of ad networks in CPA marketing. Ad networks play a crucial role in CPA marketing. They act as a bridge between advertisers who want to get actions and affiliates who have the audience to deliver those actions. Ad networks streamline the process, handle tracking and payments, and help both parties achieve their goals. 5. Exploring different CPA marketing strategies. There are several strategies you can employ in CPA marketing. These include content marketing, social media promotion, email marketing, and search engine marketing. The right combination of these strategies can help you reach your target audience and compel them to take the desired action. 6. How to get started with CPA marketing, a step-by-step guide. Getting started with CPA marketing is relatively straightforward. First, you need to join a CPA network, then choose an offer to promote. Develop a marketing strategy, promote the offer, and start tracking your results. Keep refining your strategy based on your results. 7. Pros and cons of CPA marketing. CPA marketing has several advantages like high potential earnings, pay for performance, and wide reach. However, there are also downsides like potential for fraud, difficulty in getting accepted by CPA networks, and the need for continuous testing and optimization. 8. Case studies, success stories in CPA marketing. Many businesses have seen great success with CPA marketing. For instance, the online education platform, Coursera, used CPA marketing to increase its user base and saw a tremendous increase in course sign-ups. 9. Tips and tricks to boost your CPA marketing campaigns. To boost your CPA marketing campaigns, focus on choosing the right offers to promote, creating high-quality content, optimizing your landing pages, and continuously testing and refining your strategies. And that's a wrap on CPA marketing. I hope this session provided valuable insights and you're now ready to dive into the world of CPA marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content like this.